What's up guys, welcome back to 4x4 Jumpman. Today we're going to be opening some accessories for camping and it's for cooking as well. This is for the IGT accessories. So the first one I got is pretty cool and this is going to go right here on our table. That's why there's the gap there. So what I have here is a foldable portable grill, which is perfect size for the IGT table. So this is probably the most fastest portable folding grill I've ever seen, and it's so easy to set up and it just sets up in minutes, not even minutes, seconds. So there's many different type of brands that fits in the IGT, and this one is from Nature Explore. There's also one for Nature Hike and there's also one for Snow Peak. Alright, let's open the box. So this one comes with a bag. And that's how you set it up. Alright, so what I like about these, it's got a handle. So as soon as you lift the handle, it sets up by itself. Now we can try it onto our table. And that's how you put it on. And this is the grill. And that's the Nature Explore folding portable grill. So the measurement for the grill is that it's 25 going this way centimeters and 36 centimeters going the other way. So this can fit any IGT table and it's about 2 centimeters thick. It also weighs only 2.6 kilograms. So each brand varies in type of steel they use, and with this IGT from Nature Explore, the grill is 304 steel and then the rest are 201 steel. So the price on this is so affordable. This one's only $60, which is a good bargain. You can also get grills like this from Nature Hike. They're about the similar grade steel and a little bit more pricier, but not as much. And then you can also get a Snow Peak one. The grill's a bit different, but Snow Peak uses a higher grade steel also. That's why they have some lifetime guarantee. Alright, let's unfold it again and see how to set it up again. How about we time ourselves as well? Alright, so I've got the timer there, and let's start. That's about 4 seconds. So the grill's pretty simple to use. You just put the charcoal inside. In there, there's enough air vents. And then you can start doing your barbecue. And it fits perfect on the IGT table. So the other accessories I got is one of these. This is a stand for pots, anything that I need to put for my cooking. So this one is called a triangular rack. And that's what it looks like here. And then you just hang all your pots and tongs and all those things for your barbecue. And I got this from Nature Explore store. I also got this one, which is a stainless steel plate. So this one has the Nature Hike logo on it, and then it's got an outdoor phrase which is called "Fled the City." And you can also use this to cook stuff in it. So what I like about this foldable grill is that it's so small and compact, it's very light, and you can literally take it anywhere you like. And it folds like into 2 centimeters, and it's even got its own bag. So comment below on what you guys think about this grill. Would you buy one? Would you buy one to go with your IGT table? So if you like this video, check out the next video. And if you want to buy some accessories for camping, check out natureexplore.com.au. Please like and subscribe for more future videos. Peace.